Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be securing our garage. That's right, over here in the Gold Coast. We always hear in the news how criminals always manage to steal a car from inside the garage, and we, thinking, us naive people, always think that property owners, they always forget to close their garage and they always leave their cars unlocked, maybe while they're transporting goods and all that stuff, so it's the owner's fault. Well, I'll show you why these criminals get into your garage like that. So come over here. What happens is, these crims, they carry fishing rods with little hooks like this. So by default, it's very locked up safe, but with a fishing rod, very simple one, like this. Oh, not like this, I'm just giving you an example. They get a line, because this bit's open, they fish it through here, and they grab onto the line, and then they pull it as far as they can until they get a bit of tension, and what that does is, it sets the garage to manual lock, which means they can just...
Oh my god.
Unlock it by hand.
Whoa.
Yeah. Easy as that. Obviously, push it that way and it's back, locked into position. So it's a vital security flaw there, and you need to investigate your system itself. This system over here, if you look carefully, the pulley system up here, you can't see it. Some systems have the pulley exposed, but this one's been a bit protected. So without this cable, it's a lot harder to fish out that wire. So what you need to do is just get a pair of scissors, chop off this cable, so that way there's nothing for the hook to grab onto. So you kind of want to cut the cable, if you can, short enough so it can't reach from here. So what I'm going to do, demonstration, is...
Is there any benefit to keeping the cable long?
Now the benefit to keeping it long is, if it is automatically going up and down, you have a quick access point, turn it into manual, and you can stop it from moving. But it obviously exposes you to danger. Now I don't have scissors, unfortunately, but I'm just going to show you how to easily cut the cable in case you don't know how to do that. So I'm going to just use a length, probably that's a good length, like that. Hey! Alright, the big saw didn't do it, but the scalpel did. And what I want to do actually is shorten this, so probably, yeah, this is probably a good length. Scalpel. There you are, easy. So I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm not going to tighten a knot, because if I tighten a knot, people can fish, and there's a hook, and there's a resistance, and then they can turn it into manual mode. You don't want it there. But I want it a bit long, so I can always turn it into manual mode. So unless they've got robotic hands to pull out, this one should be an easy solution to slightly secure your garage. Obviously there's more solutions to it. One, make sure your hook underneath is hidden away. This one's got a bit of plastic around this, so it's really hard to fish around. Alternatively, you can also just get a big deadbolt to lock the rims in place, so even if they had the automatic remote and they opened it up, it'd get resistance because there's a bolt there. So I'll probably install one of those as well. And just make sure your garage door into your house is also locked. Hope you guys found this video useful on how to secure your garage. I can't believe this has been functional for the last 20 years and no one's robbed the place. I come from London. London, you get robbed 24 hours a day. Here you go, here's my bus pass. You know, when I was a kid, a dude robbed me for my bus pass. London, Peckham, street crimes. I'm out.